Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. So it's time for another unboxing. And for this one, we're going to unbox the Jolly Watch. Total of 5 watches to collect for the new Jollibee Kids Meal this December 2025. So, tara, I'll show you the closer look na and teach you how to fix or adjust the time and anything. Yan. So, let's go! First things first, I'll show you the closer look of the box, side by side, yan. So, nagkaiba lang siya sa color of the boxes. Yan, okay. So, okay. So, oops, baliktad kay Yum. So, here's Yum. Sorry. Jollibee, Hetty, Chorley, and Popo. Hindi ko pa napakita yung closer look. Yan. Ang cool, no? Actually, this is, I think, the third time na nag-release ng watches ang Jollibee. Yan. Sige, later on, i-reveal ko kung kailan yung dati. So, another side. Napakita ko na to. Okay, sa likod. Same lang, no? Doon lang ng variation sa colors. Okay. So, pakita lang natin for this one para unbox na tayo later on dire-diretso how to adjust time and hand position. Yan. So, nakalagay dito, pull dial to adjust the handle. Hatakin natin yan. Kasi may cover yun. May nakita na ako dati. Actually, nag-unbox na ako ng isa last time. So, yan, may remove. Then, rotate clockwise hour, minutes, hands to adjust the time setting. So, madali lang pala. Okay. So, yan. So, on top, nakalagay yung description nila. And at the bottom, wait, ito muna. Basahin natin yung description nila. One by one later. As we unbox the watches, yan. Here's the warning lang naman. Yan, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. Yan. So, and then the like. Okay? So, since hawak na natin si Yum, let's start with Yum. So, here's Yum. Your brainy science whiz. Anytime is a great time for discovery with Yum, making learning fun. Yan. And by the way, naka-tape po siya. So, I'll just use a cutter. Kasi pagka actually, naano ko na rin to, pagka pinil off kasi natin yung tape, so as a collector, since maingat tayo sa mga boxes, nagkakaroon siya ng tawag dito, ng yung malagkit. So, better is, na lang natin, ikat na lang natin yan, okay? And I'm using some, tawag dito, para hindi magka-crease yung box. Okay? So, what's great about this one, ang ganda, meron siyang case, diba? Para kayong bumili ng talagang relo, diba? Ganda ng box actually. And there's an instruction. Okay. Yan, the Jolly Watch. Okay. Your brainy science whiz, yan, same. And collect the whole Jolly Watch quad, diba? Ang ganda lahat. And balita ko, it's mabilis siya maubos. Sa ibang Jollibee, wala na agad si Hetty, ganon, diba? What's great about this one is that sa mga kids na hindi pa marunong magbasa ng time, yan, you could learn how to read time here. So, syempre, for the short hand, it's for the hour. Okay. Then, for the long hand, it's for the minutes. Like, for this one, nakaturo sa 10, it's 10. Then, minutes, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. So, nakaturo yung long hand here. So, 15. 10, 15. Diba? Cool. Later on, i-run through ulit natin siya. Okay. So, for the watch, yan. Here's the closer look. Nice. Oh, meron siyang mga tornilyo, gears. Kasi nga, si Yum is a scientist, right? And, yun. So, here's the closer look of Yum. Ang cool niya, actually. So, it's made out of plastic. And wala masyadong detailed yung hat niya, oh. Supposedly, color yellow since cheese to. Then, may patty here. So, plain brown, beige and black lang siya. And ito lang yung difference here. I think sinasabi ko, natatanggalin natin later on para natin yung watch, ma-adjust natin. Oops, yan. So, maliit lang siya. Again, choking hazard po siya. So, better ask your parents or older siblings to do it. Okay. Then, for the wrist band, yan. So, adjustable po siya. Diba? Ang dami. Cool. Right? So, actually, for this one, natatanggal to, nabubutasan yan. So, if ever na ganyan kayo kapayat, pwede nyo i-adjust pa. Okay. And, ang maganda dito, pwede siya for adults. Diba? So, wait. Ayusin lang natin siya. Para makita nyo. Okay. So, para hindi kayo mahirapan. Diba? Nahirapan na nga ako. Yan. So, pasok nyo muna here. Yan. Once you've inserted the band, then insert it sa hole naman. Oops, ayusin lang natin. Yan. Okay. Pasok na? Hindi pa. Yun. Ang ganda. Fit na fit siya. So, ayan. Here's the 2025 version. Pakita ko lang here sa screen yung previous one. Yan. Before this one. And ang maganda dun, once na finish nyo yung button, gumaganon. Or not sure, nagpa-plop ata, na ganun ata siya. Yung bukas nung pinaka, niya. Yung mukha nila Jollibee. I think, ilan lang rin yun. Then maganda nga, pag pinupush, gumaganon. So, yan. Usong-uso dati yun. Sa mga batang early 2000s yan, siguro naabutan nyo pag pinipisil yung umaangat siya. So, yun yung dating Jollibee. And besides that, syempre, since millennial ako, 1994, naglabas rin dati na parang Swatch ang Jollibee, actually. I'm not sure kung Kiddie Meal yun. Medyo mahirap na siyang buksan, sorry Totoo lang yun lang. Parang feeling niyo masisira. Kasi hindi siya, ayun. Inaangat lang talaga siyang ganun. So, medyo hard siya. Yan. So, here's Yum. Then, here's the time. Okay? So, ang sabi doon, ipo-pull. Then, lagay natin sa 9 o'clock. Yan. Yun. It's 9 o'clock already. Then, push. Yan. Para ma-activate yung time. Oh, cool, right? Diba? And by the way, there's a protective sheet here na pwede nyo tanggalin. Yan. Ang purpose nun is para hindi magasgas yung relo. Okay? Ang cool. Diba? So, back to my kwento. Last 90s yun. As far as I know, si Jollibee naglabas dati ng parang Swatch. Actually, plain lang yun. Walang Jollibee na mukha or something like that. Then, may mga decors lang yung pinaka-wrist. Wristband yun. Ang ganda nun, actually. And, ang mas maganda dun, it's, pwede siyang gamitin ng adults rin talaga. Ito kasi for kids na lang talaga yun, di ba? Uy, ang cute. May box, nakasulat pala sa, sa box ng names nila. Yan. So, next one, here's Popo. Yan. So, your adventurous athlete, it's always game time with Popo, bringing sporty fun. Okay. So, same. It comes with an instruction sheet. Yun. O, diba? So, si Popo naman dito. And, kanina syempre si Yum. Cool. So, for this one, hindi ko na i-remove yung pinaka-ano niya. Yung pinaka, like this one dito. Yan. Para hindi gumana yung time. Yan. Okay. Ang ganda lang ng design. No? Plain lang siya. Then, ito yung, sa likod, pare-pares yung parang star siya or asterisk or diamond or something like that. Yan. Okay. Yan. Para hindi mag-activate, hindi niya dapat tatanggalin. Pero pagka tinanggal niya, mag-activate siya. Okay. So, here's a closer look. Ganda naman, actually. And by the way, medyo mahal yung meal ngayon since, syempre, watch to. Yan, ito yung sinasabi ko, pwede nyo tanggalin, ha? Natanggal po siya, Yan, ha? Baka mag-panic kayo ba't walang butas. Natanggal siya. Don't panic, it's organic. Okay? Once again, here's Popo. And, wait, ayusin ko lang, ha? So, nakakatuwa lang kasi naglabas si Jollibee ng gano'n and hindi natin inaasahan. And, what's great about this one, yun nga, ang ganda, may box talaga siya. Unlike na nakalagay lang siya sa plastic pouch, diba? Na parang, pipitsugin. Kaya medyo pricey yung meal. Actually, parang 199 siya nag-i-start for Yum Burger without drink. Yan. You're energetic superstar. It's showtime all the time when Shirley shines with you. Oh, cute. So, it's for the girls naman. Actually, I'm not wearing this one naman, but I do collect these tops. Yan. Since I'm a fan of Jollibee and fast food toys. Yan. Okay, ang dami na nga. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Yan. So, here's Twirly. Yan. Same lang naman. Yung nakalagay sa pinakatawag dito. Instruction manual. Wait ayusin ko lang to. Baka yupi yung matupi yung what do you call this one? Instruction manual. Oops. Yan. So, here's Twirly. Cute lang din. Actually, may kwento ako dito kay Twirly. Hindi ko napakita closer look nung ni Popo. Ito pala kay Popo, syempre, mahilig siya sa sports, kaya mga bola naman yung kasama, like this one. Baseball, soccer ball, volleyball, basketball. Diba? Alam ko lahat, kahit di ako sporty masyado. So, this one naman, si Twirly is a superstar. So, expecting na yan, music, headphones. What do you call this one? G-clap? Diba? Mga G-claps. Half clap ba to? Nakalimutan ko na. Kindly comment down below, highlighters yan sa mga nakakaalam pa. Ito yung G-clap. Tama. Yan nga, G-clap yan. Kasi letter G. Na baliktad. Pero ito, alam ko half clap. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag dito. Double clap. Help nyo ako. Yan. So, yun. Okay. For this one, I'm not pretty sure kung mapapalitan natin yung battery. Okay. Pwede. Pwede, may may tuklapan. But I'm not going to open this one. Baka masira pa natin. So, it's up to you na lang yan. So, again, pinupulang siya yan from sideways, then twirly. Ayun lang nakakatakot kasi possible, like, tanggal alis. Possible mag-break ito. Yan. So, ingat na lang. Yan. So, here's twirly. Ang ganda rin. Diba? Pink. Purple. Pink, purple. Next one. Siyempre, si Hetty naman. The cheerleader. Best friend of Jollibee. Your bubbly cheerleader, every moment's a cheer-tastic time with Hetty, lighting up your day. Okay, here's Hetty, the Jolly Spaghetti. Nakalimutan ko na yung kwento ko kay Twirly. Actually, alam nyo ba, kay Twirly, first nalabas sa Jollytown episode sa GMA dati. Itong suot niya to, it's a shade. It's an sunglasses, to be exact, yan. Hindi siya headband. Dalawang ganito siya dito na parehas, yan. So, as far as the show goes, nakailang episode na, nagiging headband na siya. Yan. Diba? So, naging ganito siya. Sabi ko, bakit magkaiba na yung size? Isa malaki, isa maliit. Dati kasi parehas sa malaki. Yan. Tingnan nyo, kung marirecall nyo, I'm not sure kung nasa YouTube siya. Check it out. Ayun yung kwento dati kay Twirly, diba? A fun fact lang. Yan. So, here's Hetty. Then, here's a closer look of Hetty since Hetty is a cheerleader. So, syempre, may pom-poms. Sigurado yan. Tama ba? May pom-poms ba? Ano yan? Headband? Parang headband. Ayun yung mga pang-cheering, diba? Tama ba? Parang hindi ko makita yung pom-poms. Parang walang pom-poms, no? Wala nga. Ano to? Not pretty sure what is this. Ribbon lang ata to. Ribbon. Walang pom-poms. May pom-poms to. Pero yung pom-poms ito. Pom-poms na ribbon. Yan siya. Yan. Thanks for the effort naman na nalagyan ng color ito. Kasi pag wala, plain na. Diba? Pero syempre, ang wala lang, ang ano lang tayo kay Twirly. Kasi hindi lang siya brown. Since may lining siya ng mga iba-ibang color. Diba? Yan. Okay. So, open lang, then, here we go. Here's Hetty. So, what time is this? It's 12:56. Tama? 56? 57. Yan. So, yan siya. Okay? Yee. And last but not the least, of course, ang best friend ng lahat, si Jollibee. So here's Jollibee, your jolly best friend. It's always a joyful time with Jollibee by your side. Diba? Siguro kung yung bata pa ako na nag-wear ng mga kids like ilang taon? 5? Ganon? And below. Siguro kung ako mag-wear nito, so super tuwa ako. Diba? Ang cool lang. Kasi yung kids ako dati, yung design ng 90s na watch, hindi siya ganon ka I mean, talagang yan. Sana may makahanap ako sa internet para ma-flash ko. Yan, para makita nyo. Ano yung sinasabi ko. Yan. Okay. So, syempre si Jollibee sa chef naman, ha? So, para siyang ginawang Coke Hut. Yan. Dati kasi parang walang nire-represent si Jollibee, but ginawa siyang chef. Yan. So, may chicken. Yan. Chicken, hamburger, Jolly hotdog, fries. Tama, fries. Cool. Di ba? And here's Jollibee. Yay! Of course. Who doesn't love Jollibee, di ba? Yan. Ano ang ganda nito? Yan, actually, sige, para ma-visualize nyo rin, kung hindi ko man ma-flash here, ganito yung dati na 90s. Alisin nyo lang to. Ito na siya. Yan. Then, ganito lang yung mga design nun. Tapos yung wristband, para siyang see-through na may print here na mga abstract designs. Yan. So, ganun siya. Then, swatch yun. Ang ganda. Tama ba? Swatch nga yun. Pero yun, basta yun siya. Then, ganito. Yun. Ayun siya for batang 90s. Then, sumunod ganito na may lagayan na, nagtip-tip. Then, ito yung last. I mean, third one. Hindi naman last. Yeah, hopefully, mag-release ulit si Jollibee ng ganito, diba? So, yan. We're done. Showing you the closer look of all the 5 watches. Yan. Siyempre, I'm not going to ask you who's your favorite one. Since bias tayo kay Jollibee. But, medyo nakakatsika. Doon na lang tayo sa para maiba. Yung pinakaloob na lang. Kung kaninong pinakamagandang design for you. Open lang natin siya. Yan. Sa loob kung ano maganda yan. Here's Popo. Here's Yum. Here's Hetty. Here's Twirly. Yan. Kayo comment down below na lang kung gusto nyong mamili kung sino pinakamagandang design sa pinaka-watch. So, for me, it's Jollibee pa rin. Sabi ko sa inyo, magiging bias tayo kay Jollibee. Diba? Anyway, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you enjoyed our unboxing video. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Ganda Yan, wait. Hindi ko na siya masuot isa-isa kasi tatagal pa tayo lalo. But it's so nice to collect, diba? And to use, of course. Lalo na sa mga kids and kids at heart. Like us. So, here's a Jolly Watch. Hope you subscribe, highlighters, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!